In this video, we look at some strategies for seeking and offering help. In the following video, Mary has a problem. She tells Tony, and he offers to help. Let's see how they do it.
I need to save my work, but I didn't bring a USB.
I've got one.
Do you?
Yeah. You want to use it?
Sure, thanks.
No worries.
I need to save my work, but I didn't bring a USB.
I've got one.
Do you?
Yeah. You want to use it?
Sure, thanks.
No worries.
Let's look at another situation.
I'll see you tomorrow then.
Right.
How are you getting home? Have you got a ride?
Yeah, my brother's picking me up.
Okay,
Thanks.
bye.
Here, no offer was made. We can tell that Mary was going to offer help if Tony needed it. Let's examine more closely.
I'll see you tomorrow then.
Right.
How are you getting home? Have you got a ride?
Yeah, my brother's picking me up.
Okay,
Thanks.
bye.
Now, let's watch two more and check what happens.
I'm going to be a bit late for class.
Oh, do you want me to save you a seat?
Oh, nah, I'll just slip in the back.
Okay.
In this exchange, Tony makes an offer to Mary to save her a seat because she's going to be late for class. Mary chooses not to accept the offer.
Do you want an ice cream?
Oh, thanks, but it's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
They're pretty good.
Oh, well, they do look nice.
Yeah, I'll get you one.
In this exchange, Mary offers to buy Tony an ice cream. Tony's first response is to politely decline the offer, but when Mary asks a second time, Tony accepts. In this instance, it is likely that Tony wanted the ice cream from the beginning, but felt it was more polite to decline the first offer. Remember, when you seek help or make an offer, the receiver has two choices: to accept or decline. It's important that you have strategies to respond to both. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.